back to my channel. Today we're gonna meal prep for the rest of the week. I accidentally made a massive mistake. I accidentally ordered a box of food with 46 meals in it, and it was definitely an accident. I didn't even mean to order anything. I just forgot to cancel this week. So I have a massive box and I didn't even pre-select the meals. So I'm kind of just gonna make whatever I want with it and just use all the products they gave me but make my own meals, because I'm kind of that girly. I don't really like following instructions when it comes to cooking. I just prefer to do my own thing. So we're gonna meal prep for like 5 days or something, and yeah. Okay, here's the box of food. It's literally massive. All the protein and stuff is already in the fridge. My mum did that, so bless her, thank you. Because I wasn't home this morning. Chicken palmy, American barbecue pork rissoles, which doesn't sound the greatest to me. Easy spaghetti, bacon and pesto baked risotto, glazed sesame crumbed chicken, and sweet and spice Mexican chicken. Bacon and pesto baked risotto, because that sounds really good. Okay, let's read this. Preheat oven to 220 degrees or 200 fan force. The oven is preheated. Okay. Okay, my oven is preheated. The first one I'm gonna make is this risotto. So I can't eat onion or garlic, so anything with onion and garlic I'm just gonna leave out. And I'll add like maybe my onion and garlic replacement. I'm gonna grab a hair tie because I don't wanna get hair in anyone's food. This is my beautiful sous chef. She helps me every time, don't you, baby? You wanna tell him you help me? Do you help me? I love you. I love you. What do you feel like today? You want some chicken? Okay, let's get a chopping board. Oakley dokley. Okay, in a large frying pan. Okay, this one's like super easy. This be bougie bacon. Now bacon definitely does not need any oil because it is so fatty. You just cook this. It looks a bit gross, but that's okay. This is what happens when it's packeted bacon, but scary. Bacon is cooking. Let's see what's next. Stir chicken stock powder. Arborio rice. We have more bacon, which is good because I'm gonna make like a massive batch because I ordered this for 6 people by accident. I want it to be properly cooked because I hate ham and uncooked bacon feels like ham, so we're not doing that. A chicken stock powder, arborio rice, the water, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Chicken style things. 1 cup of water. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more. 6. Perfect. Okay, the bacon's coming along real nice. Okay, there's nothing I can literally do right now. So, I'm gonna have a look at the other meals and see what they require. Okay, I just added the chicken stock to the water, and I'm gonna put all of these packets of rice in the bacon. So it's all mixed in really well. I want mine to have some veggies in it and have more flavor, so I'm gonna add some beans. And I'm just gonna chop these up so they're not so big because like no one wants a big fat bean in their risotto. So I'm just gonna make them like small. I'm also gonna put some zucchini in my risotto, so I'm just chopping it up super fine so that like you won't really notice. It'll just be some more veggies. If you can eat onion and garlic, skip the next step, but I can't, so I'm gonna put replacement in. So I have like this replacement that I always use, and I just eyeball it because by now I know exactly how much will taste good in the size I'm using. Now we brought it to a boil. It's like absorbing some of the water, so we're gonna bring it over here. We're gonna transfer it into this dish here. Okay, now we let that cook for 24 to 28 minutes. So let's get on to the next meal. Okay, the next meal I'm gonna make is spaghetti. They have a recipe here, however, I'm gonna make my own recipe because I make a really good spaghetti. So yeah, I'm gonna make my own, but what I'm hoping is they've got everything that I need for my spaghetti so I don't have to use many of my own ingredients, which is perfect, perfect, perfect. So the first thing I'm gonna put in are just these Italian passatas. I found a pear, so I'm just gonna eat it because I don't think I wanna put it in anything. For spaghetti, here's my recipe. Olive oil, garlic or onion replacement, or garlic and onion if you're that lucky in life. Some stock powder. Beef mince. In the spaghetti. To the bowl. Okay, I've been breaking up the meat, and the really important thing to remember when you're cooking spaghetti is to not leave your meat red at all. It has to be like fully cooked through. So make sure you just continue breaking it down and let it cook, because this is a rookie error. You don't want any redness when making mince at all, or it just tastes bad. And you don't want it to be watery. You want all the liquid to evaporate. So just keep cooking it down. And don't rush it. Whilst that's cooking down, I'm going to julienne my zucchini like this, because you don't want it to be like super like obvious in spaghetti, but it tastes super good and it's just getting more veggies into you. So I always put zucchini in my spaghetti, and no one can even tell because it just goes into nothing. And you don't even have to cut it up that much. Like, I literally just julienne the whole zucchini and then that's it. Like, I don't have to chop it because it literally just goes down into nothing. So good. Now we're gonna do the same thing with a carrot. Because carrot and zucchinis are my favorite veggies for spaghetti, and mushrooms, but I'm not allowed to eat mushrooms, so I don't use them anymore, which is really sad. Okay, I've just put the passata in. And I also put in some chunky tomatoes. And I'm gonna turn the heat down because it doesn't need to be on a super high heat anymore at the moment. Okay, the next really important ingredient in spaghetti is wine. You can use white wine or red wine. I just prefer how rich the red wine is. So I just do like that much. And it cooks down, so you're not gonna get drunk. Do not worry. You can use cooking wine, so like it doesn't have to be expensive because it cooks down. Okay, I'm gonna add all my veggies in now as well. Oh, our alarm just went off for our risotto, so let's check. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try some and see if it's cooked through or if it needs a little longer. I'm just gonna grab a fork. Okay, let's try a bit. Yeah, it's cooked through. Okay, now we're gonna put our cheese and our pesto on, which is like the most important part for the flavor. So we're gonna do a shaved Parmesan cheese and also some shredded cheddar. So I'm gonna put the cheddar on first and mix it all around. Okay, because we want this one to like melt into it. We're gonna mix that all around. It's gonna be hot, so I'm just gonna hold it with a tea towel. Okay. Add our basil pesto, which I definitely need the scissors for. The rice. I filled up my containers with my risotto. It's pretty good. It's not as good as the risotto I just make myself, but it's good for how quick and easy it was because risotto usually takes me like a good 2 hours. I give it like a 7.5 out of 10. That made like 4 super full containers. Obviously the top one's not super full, but that's because I've been eating it because I haven't had lunch yet. I don't even like sweet potato, but my family does, so I'm literally just making this for them. See, I made some peri-peri sweet potato. Here's my spaghetti. It's going really good. I'm gonna add some more liquid so it can, it's on a super low heat, so I'm just letting it like cook down. Okay, this is the last one I'm making. It's the glazed sesame crumbed chicken, but it's with like garlic rice, so I'm not doing that, and I'm changing a little bit of it so I can eat it. So I've cut up my carrots. I just did them in little pieces like this. And then I'm gonna cut up my beans and then start on the chicken. And also I'm gonna make coconut rice instead of garlic rice because I can't eat garlic, and coconut rice is delicious. So let's get started. Guys, it's the next day. I ended up getting really tired and I had so much work to do that I hadn't done and I was meant to have done. So I ended up only making the spaghetti, the risotto, and then I also just made some veggies real quick. So I'll show you everything I made, but yeah, I didn't end up making like the chicken stuff, which I was promising to make. So maybe in another video because I was way too tired. Okay. I made the pasta noodles as well. I made penne because I didn't have any spaghetti noodles left in gluten-free. Also, please don't mind my nails. I just have fake tan marinating right now. I promise it's not dirt. Yeah, so I made spaghetti and then I made some carrots and beans, like some Asian greens, so that I can just eat them whenever. There's my risotto, and I've also made this for my family as well, so they can like take whatever. One's already been taken, so slay fam. And then I made some peri-peri sweet potato chips as well because my family loves sweet potato chips, but I think they're quite disgusting, so I didn't want any of them. But I'm gonna end this video here. If you want me to do another video like this in the future, let me know because I definitely can. And I also have some very exciting videos coming soon and some food related videos. And I think my next video is gonna be like a monthly vlog anyway because I've been vlogging forever and I need to edit it all together and put it together. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments what content you'd like to see next. Love you guys. Goodbye.